yourself. Life is about creating yourself. This powerful thought encourages us to take charge of destiny and shape our lives with purpose. With this in mind, I, Adya of grade 5, along with my friend Reyansh, extend a warm welcome to our respected principal ma'am, cherished teachers, and all my dear fellow students to this inspiring morning assembly.
Creating ourselves means discovering our unique strengths and bravely overcoming challenges and constantly striving for self-improvement. It's about setting clear goals and transforming our dreams into reality. Let's begin this assembly with a prayer, a moment to remind ourselves and create a life filled with positivity and purpose. I invite Abhishi to lead us with the prayer.
I request everyone to join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sanded habits, where the mind is led forward by the into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Thank you, Abhishi, for that heartfelt prayer.
Just as we create ourselves, we must also actively create harmony and unity within our wonderful school community. Our school song, a vibrant reflection for shared spirit, helps us stay united and focused on our collective goals. Now I invite the choir group to lead us in the school song. That spirited rendition.
Life is truly about taking action and making sensible choices every single day. Creating yourself requires adopting strong values that guide your thoughts, shape your words, and inspire your deeds. I invite Sanvi to lead us with the pledge.
I request everyone to stretch your right hand forward and repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanvi, for leading us with the pledge.
We would like to wish Mishika Mishra of PP1 Lilac and E. Taman from Grade 9 Lilac a very happy birthday from DWPS family. I would like to request our principal ma'am to come forward and bless them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless and keep you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now get ready for some sparks of inspiration. We have some motivational quotes presented by our fellow students. These powerful words will undoubtedly inspire us to keep creating best version of ourselves. Now I invite Falgun, Darshik and Nihal to share their quotes.
The quote of the day. When life changes to be harder, change yourself to be stronger. Meaning, when life becomes difficult, you need to become tougher and more strong.
The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow, meaning that the difficulties and challenges you're facing right now are helping you to grow stronger, even if they feel hard in the moment. The greater the obstacle, the more glory in overcoming it. Meaning, when life puts big hurdles in your path and you still manage to push through and succeed, it shows your strength, courage, and determination.
Thank you, Falgun, Darshik and Nihal.
Now, I would like to invite Nainika onto the stage to share the significance of the day with us.
Good morning, everyone. Today's significance of the day. To remember this important moment, the government of India started celebrating August 7th as National Handlooms Day in 2015. Thank you.
Thank you, Nainika.
Hey Ryansh, have you ever felt that life is a continuous journey of actively working on who you are and who you want to become?
Absolutely, Adya. Creating yourself requires immense determination, unwavering resilience, and never give up attitude.
You're so right, Ryansh. It's all about believing deeply in our own potential and continuously striving to become the best versions of ourselves day by day. To showcase how this journey of oneself unfolds, we have a special performance by our talented grade 5 students. Their act will beautifully portray the importance of self-belief and perseverance. Over to you, Sanvika, Miha and Vainavi.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Today, we welcome you to a special assembly that explores a profound idea. Life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself.
Wait a minute. What does that really mean? Are we not supposed to discover who we are?
Well, not quite. It means that instead of waiting for our passions or talents to magically appear, we take charge and shape them ourselves. We don't wait to be someone, we build ourselves into that person.
So, like crafting something by hand?
Exactly. Think of it like building a magnificent sandcastle. You don't just stumble upon it at the beach. You envision it. Gather the sand, sculpt it carefully, shape it detail by detail. That's creation, that's effort.
So, life is like that. We build our future through hard work, smart choices, and determination.
Perfectly said. And today we present a touching story about a young boy with a dream inspired by the true journey of two ordinary students who dared to solve a problem and in doing so built something extraordinary.
Scene 1, the modern Indian home. Scene opens in the Sharma family's house. Warm, homely and ambience.
It was a quiet morning in the Sharma family's household. Priya, the mom, was scrolling on the phone when suddenly the doorbell rang.
Mom, Dad, what a surprise!
How are you, beta?
Fine, Dad.
We didn't tell anyone. We wanted to surprise you.
You did it, Ma. Come in. Let me bring your favorite tea to you. Sit, please.
Thank you, beta.
Oh no, no tea powder. Tragedy in the kitchen.
Priya, what happened?
Ma, there is no tea powder left.
Shall we send your dad?
No need, Ma. We can order it online.
Oh, nice.
Just when the perfect family moment was about to spill, a spark of quick thinking came to rescue.
Priya quickly opens her delivery app.
Premium masala tea. Ordered. Delivery in 9 minutes. Oh, I forgot to add a coconut water for my son. Fine, that's done. Crisis averted.
Priya,
Yes, Dad.
I forgot my BP medicine back in the village.
Don't worry, Dad. Let me check if it's available online. Yes, it is. It'll arrive in 8 minutes.
Okay, Priya.
As tea brewed in the kitchen, medicine made its way across the city, one delivery at a time.
Arjun, the elder son, enters sweaty from the football practice.
Oh, I'm so thirsty. I need coconut water today.
Oh, you have arrived. I was expecting you. Now, relax. Coconut water on its way.
You're better than my coach, Mom.
Hey, did you notice your grandparents came today?
Oh, what a surprise. Thank you, Grandma. Welcome.
From medicine to nutrition, everything arrived just in time. But then came another twist. Hello? What? Okay, Ravi.
What happened, beta?
Ma, we are having dinner guest tonight at 7:30 p.m.
Dinner guest? It's already late. And Ravi's also not there. Oof, I'll help you.
No need, ma. I've got it covered. I'll place a quick order for North Indian combo, South Indian thali, sweets and extra rotis. All done.
Well done, beta. You have managed it.
Thank you, Mom. Oh, I think they've arrived. Hey, hello. Welcome. She's my mother and he's my father.
Auntie, I'm so hungry.
Dinner is ready. Please wash your hands and come in the dining room. Please come, everyone. Mom, Dad,
I came to surprise you all, but I'm the one taken aback. This isn't just a home, it's a smart home.
Priya has a remarkable way of keeping everything perfectly on time.
thank you, Mom and Dad.
Just when the Sharma family begins to settle into the cozy evening, Avi, the younger grandson, enters the room. His expression is thoughtful, perhaps even a little anxious. The room grows quiet as every eye turns towards him.
Just then, the little Avi walks in with his father, Ravi. Avi seems thoughtful and hesitant.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, how are you? Hello, hi.
Avi beta, is everything all right? I got my 10th results. I did well.
Congratulations, Avi.
But I don't know what stream to choose.
Easy. Science, engineer, or doctor. That's the respectable path.
Imagine Dr. Ravi Sharma in a white coat.
But I'm not interested in that. I love business like Appa.
Business? That's risky. You'll end up selling tea in local shops.
No, Grandpa. Why must success always mean becoming a doctor or an engineer? Exactly. Let's guide him, not decide it for him.
Dad, this house is built from a business you once doubted. Maybe it's time to trust the next generation.
Yes, Grandpa, I want to pursue a BBA. I dream of building my own business, launching a startup from the ground up. One day, I'll lead something big, perhaps even give opportunities for doctors and engineers to work under my vision. Sometimes a dream requires more than just approval. It calls for true understanding. And Avi, though young, carried the wisdom to express it in a way that resonated deeply. Priya then shares something extraordinary. Mom, Dad, do you remember how we got tea powder, coconut water, medicine, and dinner all delivered online?
Yes, all in minutes.
That service started by college students, barely 19 years old during the lockdown. They saw their grandparents struggle, so they decided to act. That's how there's success and entrepreneurs.
Let's rewind to 2020. The world paused at two college students, Kaivalya and Adit, homesick and worried for their families.
Hey Adit, my grandparents in Mumbai wait hours just for vegetables.
Mine too. Stores are overwhelmed. There's got to be a better way.
What if groceries were delivered as fast as pizza?
Hold on. What if we were the ones to make that happen?
And just then, a spark was ignited. Two 19-year-old students, far from home, yet filled with hope, chose to take a leap of faith.
Let's head back and start something meaningful. A delivery system that's not just fast, but lightning quick. Let's begin with essentials, groceries, and daily needs.
Let's launch a new app. Can we call it Local Shop? No. Sabzi Bazaar?
No.
Kirana Cart?
So, let's call it Kirana Cart.
And this Kirana Cart app came to life.
Oh God, this Kirana Cart app is not useful for me. I was just wondering, was there any issue with the delivery today?
Ma'am, I'm really sorry for the delay. There was stock issue. Many products were not available in nearby stores also.
This is becoming a habit now. Late delivery, wrong items. Is this how your app works?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
But as with all ambitious ventures, the road ahead wasn't without hurdles. Customers were not happy with this app.
Everybody says it's unfeasible. That logistics just don't work in India.
But look at the elderly couple waiting hours for basic groceries. We can't sit back. We must be the solution.
We tried part-time in local kirana shops, but the shop doesn't have certain products, the shelves were unorganized and deals were delayed.
Stores wasn't designed for rapid service. We need a completely new approach and a fresh blueprint. Kaivalya, don't give up. This is not the end. Life is not finding about perfect system. It's about creating. So let's create something better and let's build a new warehouse.
Are you ready to take a chance? Make a change and make new plans. Plant the seeds, you're not made of glass. You will grow, not break, it's in your hands. Take it one step at a time. If you're looking with your side, you will never know if you don't try. Through highs and lows, you will reach new heights. So don't you go and dim your light. Turn a new page, see the story you write, the story you write. Don't let the fear of falling stop you now. Keep on climbing, make yourself proud. Let all your tears run down your face to the ground. You are safe, hear your heart beat loud. Take it one step at a time. If you're looking in your side, you will never know if you don't try. Through highs and lows, you'll reach new heights. So don't you go and dim your light. Turn a new page, see the story you write, the story you write.
Yes, Adit, you're right to manage our own impact warehouse, our own warehouse.
That's it. We built a system from ground up. Stock smartly, move smoothly. Delivered in just 10 minutes.
They exchange a determined high five as the vision unfolds, pitching to investors, building the techs, and assembling the delivery fleet. From that midnight spark, Zepto was born, and the promise, 10 minutes delivery, and yes, they delivered.
By 2025, it ranked among India's fastest growing startups with valuation exceeding rupees 4,500 crores.
They said it couldn't be done in India, but India made it possible. Let's come together to celebrate our success, which we have created from our hard work, creativity, and determination. Yes, let's celebrate together.
¡Ay, caramba! ¡Ay, caramba! फ्री बैठ के हमको मक्खी नहीं मारना, हर दाव जीतेंगे हम, आका हमको नहीं हारना। हम हुकुम के इक्के हैं जुबां के पक्के, हम हुकुम के इक्के जुबां के पक्के, खाके था पेड़े जो एड़े से टेढ़े बने हैं, तो हम क्या करें? जोर लगा के जान लड़ा के बोलना। हो रखी है जिनकी कुंडली, क्या करेंगे थक्के चल लगा दे धक्के, क्या करेंगे थक्के लगा दे धक्के, बिन बुलाई मुसीबत से पंजा लड़ाने से हम ना डरे, जोर लगा के जान लड़ा के। सबके होठों पे चर्चे हैं हमारे, देखो जमीन पे उतरे हैं सितारे, सितारे। सबके होठों पे चर्चे हैं हमारे, देखो जमीन पे उतरे हैं सितारे।
Scene transition back to the Sharma household. Everyone visibly inspired.
Did you see that Grandpa and Grandma? They were students just like me who solved the problem and brought it into a great possibility. They proved that life is not about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself.
Then go, my boy. Chase it fearlessly. Make us proud. But remember your roots and don't forget your tea-loving grandma when you're famous.
If anyone can do it, it's you, Da.
And so a single spark became a flame of belief, because in that house the greatest thing delivered wasn't tea or medicine, it was understanding. In a world where many are lost, searching for who they are, there are few, like the founders of Zepto, who choose to create who they wish to become. They didn't wait to be discovered, they didn't follow a path, they built one. Just like Avi choosing courage over comfort, choosing creation over imitation. Because in the end, life is not about finding yourself, It's about creating yourself.
Thank you, friends, for that moving and insightful performance.
Our teachers play an absolutely crucial role in helping us to create ourselves. They guide us with wisdom, nurture our potential with care, and constantly help us to chase our biggest dream. Let's welcome our dedicated Class 5 teachers to share their valuable thoughts with us.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and dear students. Students, we are not born with fixed identity. We learn, we grow, we change. Okay? And that's a great thing. It means we can become whatever we want. So, instead of asking, who am I? Ask, who do I want to be? And take steps each day to become that person. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear students. Today, children, I want to ask you something. How many of you have been asked, what do you want to become when you grow up? Please raise your hands if you have heard this question. Yes, hands down. Thank you. But children, life is not like a ready-made toy available for you and waiting for you on the stores just to find out, right? Life is like a soft clay, shapeless. You need to mold it and because you are the sculptor. Just like that. And you are already creating here at our own school by shaping your future, getting guidance from teachers and making efforts and learning from your mistakes. So next time, children, when someone asks you, be ready that if someone asks you that what do you want to become when you grow up, please be ready, raise your head high and say in confidence that I am not waiting to find out, I'm just creating it. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear students. Each day has a chance to grow, learn and shape yourself for positivity. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher, for your insightful and encouraging words.
A school truly thrives when its leaders instill values that encourage deep muscle growth and development. It's now my distinct honor to invite our esteemed Principal Ma'am, Dr. N. Janvi Reddy Ma'am, to address the gathering with her motivating and guiding words.
Thank you, SK. My dear team and beloved students, good morning. Today I am going to talk to you about a powerful idea that can change the way you view your life. Children, it is often said that life is about finding yourself. But today I am going to challenge that notion, because in reality, life is not about finding yourself. It is about creating yourself. Children, when you are born, you are just like a blank canvas. You have the incredible power to design who you want to become. Your dreams, your passion, your talents, they are not the hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. They are the seeds within you waiting to be nurtured and grown. When I'm talking about creating yourself means you have to take the responsibility for your life. You have to have one fixed goal. You have to work hard and you have to overcome obstacles. Remember, the great person you admire the most, whether it's a scientist, artist, leader, or athlete, they didn't achieve success by just a chance. They have created it by their perseverance, courage, and self-belief. They understood that their future and success lies in their own hands. Yes or no, children? So, I urge you today not solely rely on your luck or circumstances. Instead, you try to create your own path, explore new things, learn from the failures, and you should never be afraid to reinvent yourself. That is the main thing, children. Finally, to conclude, you are the artist of your life. The brush is into your hands. The colors are your choices. Make your masterpiece bold, vibrant, and uniquely yours so that you can shine brightly. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Over to you, Sirisha, ma'am, for Olympiad medals.
Respected Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and my students, a very good morning everyone. Now we are going to announce the results of Silver Zone Olympiad for the subjects Mathematics and GK, which was conducted in the academic year 24-25. I request our dear Principal Ma'am to please come on the stage to present the medals. In mathematics, we have a state topper, S. Arav Yadav from grade 3, who bagged bronze medal in the state level. I call upon S. Arav Yadav from grade 3, who bagged bronze medal in the state level. Yes, Arav Yadav from grade 3, who bagged bronze medal in the state level. Next we have class toppers who bagged gold medals. We have Tanya Bansal from grade 2, Ihit Pandey from grade 2, Sai Hasta from grade 2, Adya Reddy from grade 2, Hishita from grade 2, Aradhya from grade 2, Sai Nihal from grade 2, K. Shreyanvi from grade 2, M. Ronik from grade 2, Geetansh Jain from grade 2. They all bagged gold medal as class toppers. They're all class toppers who bagged the gold medals. Please give them a big round of applause. Next we have Riyansh Gupta from grade 2, Nitya Sharma from grade 2, Moksha from grade 2, Vedanshi from grade 2, Sachi Rao from grade 2. We have Riyansh Gupta from class 2, Nitya Sharma from class 2, Moksha from class 2, M. Vedashri from class 2, Sachi Rao from class 2, G. Sai Harani from class 2, Y.K. Advik from class 2, M. Sudhiksha from class 2, T. Srinika from grade 4, O. Suhani Reddy from grade 5. These are the class toppers who bagged the gold medals. Please give them a big round of applause. We have class toppers who bagged the silver medals. V. Sri Shreyan from class 2. B. Adyashree from class 3. V. Ritvika from class 4. Sanvika Bankal from class 5. Sri Shreyan from class 2. B. Adyashree from class 3. V. Ritvika from class 4. Sanvika Bankal from class 5. These are the class toppers who bagged the silver medal in Mathematics Olympiad exam. Next we have class toppers who bagged the bronze medal. Hanish Kumar from class 2, Stuvi Jain from class 3, Ayansh Vardaktal from class 4, Garshit from class 4. Hanish Kumar from class 2, Stuvi Jain from class 3, Ayansh Vardaktal from class 4, Garshit from class 4, who bagged the bronze medal as a class topper. Children, please give them a big round of applause. Next, we have the winners for the GK exam. Pranjal from class 3, who bagged gold medal as a Olympia topper. We have Pranjal from class 2, who bagged gold medal as a Olympia topper. Yunav Saravanan from class 3, who bagged bronze medal as Olympia topper. Pranjal, who bagged the gold medal as Olympia topper. Please give her a big round of applause. Next we have Yunav Saravanan from class 3, who bagged bronze medal as Olympia topper. Yunav Saravanan from class 3, who is Olympia topper and bagged bronze medal. Next we have state toppers. M. Medhansh from class 2, V. Sri Shreyan from class 2, who bagged silver medals as state toppers. We have M. Medhansh from class 2, V. Sri Shreyan from class 2, who bagged silver medals as state toppers. Medhansh and Sri Shreyan, who bagged the silver medals as state toppers. Please give them a big round of applause. Next we have class toppers who bagged the gold medals. V. Ritvika from class 4, Laina Begwani from class 5, Abhilohit Reddy from class 6, Harshan Sai from class 7. V. Ritvika from class 4, Laina Begwani from class 5, Abhilohit Reddy from class 6, Harshan Sai from class 7, who bagged the gold medals as class toppers. Moving ahead, we have class toppers who bagged the silver medals. V. Vansh from class 3, Niti Sharma from class 4, Devanshi Ojha from class 6, Sri Rudra from class 7. V. Vansh from class 3, Niti Sharma from class 4, Devanshi Ojha from class 6, Sri Rudra from class 7, who bagged silver medals as class toppers. V. Vansh, Niti Sharma, Devanshi Ojha and Sri Rudra. Moving ahead, we have class toppers who bagged bronze medals. Akira from class 3, Avyan Krishna from class 4, O. Suhani Reddy from class 5, Sheikh Asif from class 6, Devansh Rao from class 7. We have class toppers who bagged the bronze medals. Akira Adeli from class 3, Avyan Krishna from class 4, O. Suhani Reddy from class 5, Sheikh Asif from class 6, Devansh Rao from class 7. These are the class toppers who bagged the bronze medal. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to all the winners. Over to you, Adya.
Thank you, Sirisha ma'am and Principal ma'am.
Now I call upon Prachi for vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of all Grade 5 students, we feel incredibly grateful for this opportunity. And we would like to take this moment to express our sincere thanks to everyone who made it possible. First, a big thank you to our respected Principal ma'am for always encouraging us and being here today. Next, we would like to thank our dear coordinator ma'am for guiding us through everything. To our amazing music team, thank you for the wonderful songs that fill our assembly with joy. And a special thanks to our dancer for helping us with those fantastic moves. A huge thank you to all our teachers for your constant support, patience and guidance. We could not have done it without you. And finally, to all our friends, thank you for being such an enthusiastic audience and participating so well. Thank you once again, everyone.
Thank you, Prachi.
Let's stand up for the national anthem respectfully.